Hello everyone, today we're gonna dive deep into one of the best bridges on the market, Connext Bridge, also formerly known as Exponent Bridge. So this is the landing page of the project. Here you can find some basic information, the project socials, their partners and the project ecosystem. Before using the bridge, always double check its link. It must be connext.network. So let's start bridging by pressing bridge button. So this is the bridge itself with cross-chain transfer window in the middle of the page, few more additional buttons here, I'll cover them later, connect button on the right top corner and the theme switcher. Alright, let's connect our wallet. You need to choose your wallet here, I'll go with MetaMask. Press next and connect. Alright, my wallet is connected. On the left side you need to choose the network you want to bridge from. Just press here and there is a huge list of networks, EVM and layer 2 chains. I'll go with Polygon here. Also note that this little green dot means the network is currently working well. If it would be red dot, means the network is unavailable and you cannot use it right now. On the right side you need to choose the network you want to bridge to. I'll go with Gnosis chain. Then you need to choose the token you want to bridge. In my case I want to bridge USDC token. Here below you'll see your balance in USDC and in the field you need to put amount you want to bridge. I want to bridge 250 USDC. It's calculating fees right now and estimated received. Alright, the fees is 13 cents. Here is also advanced option. Let's check it out. In case you want to receive tokens on another wallet, you can just put the wallets here. The other options are not so useful, so I'm not gonna cover it. If you haven't bridged USDC before, you need to allow the contract use your USDC. So let's approve. And confirm transactions. Alright, we can transfer our tokens. Let's press swap button. Here is showing a road that we bridge our tokens from Polygon to Gnosis chain, road address, amount to send, fees, and estimated received. Press confirm button. Let's sign our transaction. The transaction is already confirmed on Polygon network and it's pending on Gnosis chain. So let's wait. Alright, our USDC are ready to be claimed. Let's press sign to claim funds and sign our transaction in our wallet. Alright, it's done. Let's check it out. Let's go and press transaction button here. Here we can see all of our transactions. This is the last one and its status fulfilling. I already received the tokens and let's check it out in Log Explorer. So let's go to token transfers and this is the transaction 4 minutes ago. 200 and almost 50 USDC. So So yeah, I received my tokens from Polygon to Gnosis chain. So this is how it works, very simple and intuitive. In case you would have some problem with your transactions, here is support button on Discord, or here is one more support button to Notion page explaining you and following you with well written guide. So if you have some questions about Connext Bridge, just leave it in the comment below. Thanks for watching.